Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Hill climbing is a local search algorithm that starts with an arbitrary solution to a problem and iteratively makes small improvements to it. The idea is to move towards the direction of increasing elevation, or in the case of optimization problems, increasing the objective function value, until a peak is reached. In this tutorial, we'll implement a simple hill climbing algorithm in Python with a step-by-step explanation. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download Python from python.org. Let's consider a simple optimization problem where we want to find the maximum value of a mathematical function. In this example, we'll use the function f, x, equals x caret 2 plus 5x plus 7. In this example, we define the objective function f, x, equals x caret 2 plus 5x plus 7. The hill_climbing function takes the initial position, step size, and maximum iterations as input parameters. It iteratively evaluates the objective function at the current position and the next position, obtained by moving a step in the positive direction. If the objective function value improves, it updates the current position, otherwise, the algorithm stops. Save the above code in a file, for example, hill_climbing.py, and run it using a Python interpreter. The program will output the optimal position and the maximum value obtained using the hill climbing algorithm. The simple hill climbing algorithm is a basic optimization technique that can be applied to various problems. Keep in mind that it may not always find the global optimum, as it is a local search algorithm. Further improvements and variations can be made to handle different types of optimization problems. ChatGPT